Hi, I am Dr. Radhakrishna and this is the second video on the topic measures of disease occurrence. Today we will understand about rate, ratio and proportion. In the epidemiological measurements, all the measurements are basically either rate or ratio or proportion. So let's come first to ratio, which is the most basic term. Ratio usually obtained by dividing one quantity by another quantity. And when it comes to epidemiology, the numerator usually does not contain a subset in the denominator. We can understand by seeing this image. In this image, the numerator contains the yellow dots while the denominator contains the pink dots. Therefore, we can say the numerator component is different and denominator component is different. I want to say example, fetal death ratio, which is obtained by dividing number of fetal death divided by number of live births. So number of fetal death is a different term and number of live birth is a different term, and both the components are different and does not contain a subset in the counterparts. Let's come to the second term, proportion. Proportion is a specialized ratio in which numerator contains a subset in the subset of individuals in the denominator. We can understand by seeing this image. In this, the numerator contains the yellow dots while the denominator contains a mixture of pink and yellow dots. Therefore, we can say the numerator contains a subset in the denominator. In fact, most of the epidemiological measurements are proportion in nature. We can take a common example, prevalence. All must be knowing about this, which is measured as number of diseased or infected divided by population at risk. Therefore, we know population at risk includes almost all individuals under the study. Therefore, it contains the numerator component, which is the number of diseased or infected. In epidemiological measurements, terms such as cumulative incidence rate, prevalence rate and case fatality rate, although these are measured as termed as rate, these are proportions in true sense. Therefore, we can say, let's come to rate. Rate usually measured as change in one quantity with respect to another, and the another quantity is time. In this, time is usually denominator. In true sense, only incidence rate is rate, which we can say at the rate at which cases appear in a population. For example, we can say for COVID-19, daily 19 cases are appearing. Therefore, we can say its incidence rate is 19 cases per 24 hour. Therefore, in rate there is an internal time component is there, which is not there in ratio or proportion. We can understand this in the subsequent videos, its formula. So this is all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please like it and please share it to others, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.